Hello guys, we are here to share an announcement that Vietnam's Unified App PC COVID is available for download. Hanoi, the Unified COVID-19 Prevention and Control App PC COVID Vietnam was made available on iOS App Store and Android Google Play Store for smartphone on Thursday. The app replaces Bluezone, the previous contact tracing platform, and is still in beta phase. Smartphone users who already installed Bluezone can head to the respective app store to update PC COVID with full functions available in both English and Vietnamese. PC COVID will become the single app for all COVID-19 prevention and control activities in the country after Prime Minister Pham Minh Chinh ordered relevant authorities to unify many separate apps for vaccine certificates, travel permits, health declaration, and contact tracing into one following public complaints of inconvenience. It has been added with all functions of the previously launched app like such as VHD, Bluezone, and NCOV. Particularly, PC COVID provides the COVID-19 card to users who are fully vaccinated against COVID-19 or recovered from COVID-19, enabling them to travel and join social activities in the new normal period. A QR code included in the app will serve as a single personal code used in all apps and platforms related to pandemic prevention and control. A representative from the Ministry of Information and Communications in detailed requirements for green, yellow, and red COVID-19 cards will be issued by the Ministry of Health. Major functions of the app include showing COVID-19 card status, making health declaration, searching for COVID-19 vaccination information and testing results, supporting movement tracking, indicating a map of risk, and providing news on overall pandemic prevention and control strategy. However, the app will not replace the electronic health record app, which serves long-term overall medical activities of users and not just for COVID-19. After being available for download on Thursday morning, many users have complained of long delayed reception of OTP codes to activate their profiles and accounts, unsynchronized status of vaccine status, and others bug. Yuan Hui Zhang, Deputy Minister of Information and Communication, told the media that due to ramped up efforts in vaccination, many localities, especially ones with large population like Hanoi, HCM City, or Kanchu, have not yet managed to fully update vaccinated people's information to the National COVID-19 Vaccination Platform. Information about 20% of the actual number of vaccinated people is still missing on the platform. Also, due to the nature of paper forms and writing quality that might lead to variance in name and telephones between each input, the actual shots that some people have received might not be reflected on the platform, and technicians are working to remedy the issues. The app has a feedback channel to address complaints from user, Zhang said. VNS. Bye listeners, we will come back soon with new interesting topics.